Odontophobia, or dental fear, occurs in every country around the globe. Every dentist has dealt with an anxious or extremely fearful patient, and every dentist has lost some of those patients. After the break, I'll tell you how to market to the dentally fearful. How many patients have told you that they're looking forward to their next dental visit? I'm Colin, and welcome to the Patient Attraction Podcast. In 2014, a study was done that looked at the rates of dental anxiety and fear in different countries. And it found that about 10% of patients in Iceland experience dental fear. In contrast, in Japan, 42% of Japanese dental patients experience fear. That's kind of a staggering number. And of course, people tend to avoid what they fear. You've probably had patients that defer dental treatment until their condition was very serious out of fear. And there have been some early attempts at marketing to the dentally fearful. Things like gentle dentistry and pain-free dentistry and we cater to cowards. And you probably know how well those work. I would say about this topic here, a lot of dentists market the minimum acceptable level. For instance, when I see dentists that market pain-free and gentle dentistry, that is the minimum level that consumers will accept in today's world. So why are you marketing to the minimum that somebody's going to accept? If Subway's slogan was, "We have bread and meat and we put it together," would you go buy a Subway sandwich? Probably not. Once you have fearful patients in your practice, there's a lot you can do to ease their fears. How do you get fearful patients to make and keep the appointment before pain drives them to it? Well, let's simplify and say that fear comes from bad experiences, horror stories from others, anticipation of embarrassment or loss of control. Against those fears, you have four main assets. The first is today's advanced 3D imaging, which has reduced complications for a number of procedures. Well, what's that mean to the patient? It means fewer bad experiences, and both patient and dentist are forewarned. The second is a glowing asset of patient testimonials on your website and in your marketing and on social media. Emphasizing those two assets, that social proof, provides new learning, which can help reassure a fearful patient coming into your office. Now, third is you and your staff. A non-judgmental attitude and allowing the patient to dictate the pace of procedures can work wonders. Those speak to fear of embarrassment and loss of control. Finally, sedation dentistry is working extremely well for dentists who get the training to offer it. Being able to offer pain-free and memory-free or sleep dentistry goes a long way towards reaching the fearful patient. Featuring those four assets prominently in your marketing is going to get you to attract, convert, and retain more of the dentally fearful. Join me for tomorrow's podcast on why audience engagement is critical to your success. Until then, keep moving forward.